Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Nest Cam with Google Home Person Detection Alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed. Tap on the home icon at the bottom left of the screen. Find and select your Nest Cam from the list of devices. If you don't see your Nest Cam, ensure it's properly set up and connected to your Wi-Fi. Once you've selected the Nest Cam, tap on the settings gear icon located in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for the notifications section. Tap on notifications to access alert settings. Ensure person detection notifications are turned on. If it's off, toggle the switch to enable it. Next, go back to the main settings screen of the Nest Cam. Scroll down to activity zones if you want to customize the detection area. Tap on Activity Zones to set specific zones for alerts. Draw the zones on the camera's view to specify areas of interest. Save your changes once you've defined the zones. Return to the main camera settings by tapping the back arrow. Next, to integrate with Google Assistant, tap on Link Devices. Follow the prompts to link. After linking, say, "Hey Google, show me the camera name," to test the connection. Ensure your Google Home device is set to allow notifications from linked devices. You may also want to adjust your Google Assistant settings to manage how you receive alerts. Once everything is set, your Nest Cam will now send person detection alerts. Test the functionality by walking in front of the camera. Check your phone for an alert notification confirming person detection. Congratulations! Your Nest Cam is now configured for person detection alerts with Google Home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.